What's up, y'all? This Brian back with another one. About to get ready to hop in this Corolla, pull it up to the trailer, and get it underway. Kind of package this deal. It's close to a recommended, but not all the way. It's gonna be a starter detail with a seat shampoo. So that's how we kind of like piece things together so we can get a customer the best price. But had to come over here and get some shade. And yeah, let's check it out. And we're gonna show y'all what it look like afterwards. So y'all can see we got some stuff on the panels. Definitely got some trash and some debris on the floor that we need to get out. Dusted around the dash. Got all kind of stuff in the cup holder area that we're gonna need to get out. And then y'all can see the seats. We're gonna shampoo the seats, give it a nice outside wash. Pop the trunk and the gas cap. Gonna get all this stuff nice and clean. Let's take a look in this side on this door. And that's what we got. So we're gonna get into this thing and get it knocked out and get back to you and show y'all what it look like. Let's go. What's up, y'all? We is back with the Corolla. Joe hitting it with some finishing wipes on the windows and whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all around this thing, show y'all what it look like. So let's check it out. Y'all can see we got the panels nice and wiped down. Hit the floors real good. Got the dash all nice and dusted. Hit that cup holder area really well. Y'all can see the seats looking 10 times better. Hit the wheels. Yeah, Joe hit the seats, but you know, I vacuumed them and put the what's the name? I put the interior clean on them, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, made it happen. Hey, let me hold your ride real quick. It is a little some little residue I want to make sure it don't stay on there just in case. But you know, we always checking everything at the end to make sure it's on point. But y'all can see we got the seats nice and clean. I do got to put this back in there, so I'll put that in there in a second. Nice and clear. Y'all can see the outer body. This thing is back to white. You can leave that though. Oh, never mind. No, what about everything nice and clear in the back. Didn't have any mats inside of it, so looking good, guys. Had a little something, looked like something flew in at the end. It's always something, guys. Let me give y'all a little final looky look. Things on point. That's what's up, guys. So check out edgecarwash.com. Schedule your detail today, and we will try to get to you as soon as possible. If y'all on YouTube, like, share, subscribe, comment, and hopefully we see you soon.